Scarlet ribbons, scarlet ribbons for my hair. All the stores were locked and shuttered. All the streets were dark and bare. In our town, no scarlet ribbons, no scarlet ribbons for her hair. Tonight my heart was aching just before the dawn was breaking. I peeked in, and on the bed, in gay confusion, lying there, scarlet ribbons, pretty scarlet ribbons for her hair. If I live to be 100, I will never know from where came those lovely scarlet ribbons for